Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we are going to install DeepSeek-R1 on local machine. So DeepSeek is open source. Now we can go to the steps how to install it locally. Let's go to the steps how to install it locally. So here we can go and see that how exactly what are the steps for installing the DeepSeek locally. So for that we are going to the steps. So let's go to the steps, and these are the steps that we need to perform in order to run it locally. But instead of doing that, what we are going to do is, because it's much more complicated, we are going to use a tool, Ollama, to run the model locally. So Ollama is a similar tool to the Docker. If you haven't used a Docker earlier, the Docker is a tool when you are containerize your application and you can run it on any machine, so on any operating system. The Ollama is the same, but for the large language model. So what it means is so the model is already created and we just need to run that on the local machine. So for that, let's first install the Ollama. I have already installed the Ollama. So after installation, what you need to do is you just need to run it with the double click on the zip file. So we are running Ollama, and in my case, Ollama is already running. So what we need to do is we need to go and see that whichever model we want to run, right? In this case, I want to run the DeepSeek-R1. So for that, let's choose the version that we want to run with how many parameters. So in my case, I am choosing 14B because that is compatible with my Mac. So for that, what we need to do is we just need to copy this command and we need to run that in our command line. So let's run it. Okay, it's gonna take some time. I'm gonna pause the video here, and we are going to proceed after installation. Okay, it's installed. It takes from 5 to 10 minutes to download, depending on the internet speed. Let's now ask some simple questions. For example, let's ask who invented telephone? Okay, Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, it works as expected. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.